The power of politeness. Understanding. Pleased to meet you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make it as accessible and enjoyable for you as possible. Today, we're going to explore a very common, yet profoundly meaningful phrase, pleased to meet you. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time at a social event, a job interview, or just in your day-to-day life, this phrase is a key part of English etiquette. Let's break it down together and see why it's so important. When we say, pleased to meet you, we're expressing happiness or satisfaction in meeting someone new. It's more than just a routine greeting. It's a sign of respect and openness to the conversation or relationship that might develop. This phrase can set a positive tone for the interaction, showing that you're approachable and interested in getting to know the other person. You might wonder if there's a right moment or way to say, pleased to meet you. Typically, it's used the first time you meet someone. You can shake hands, if appropriate, and make eye contact to convey sincerity and confidence. It's not just about the words. It's about how you present yourself. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a valuable tool in your English language arsenal. English is a rich language, offering several ways to express the same sentiment. Here are a few alternatives. Nice to meet you, delighted to meet you, happy to meet you. Each variation carries a slightly different tone but serves the same purpose. Feel free to use them interchangeably, depending on the context and your comfort level. Understanding the cultural context of pleased to meet you is crucial. In many English-speaking cultures, polite expressions like this are not just formalities. They're reflections of a society that values politeness and mutual respect. By using this phrase, you're not only improving your English but also showing respect for the cultural norms of English-speaking countries. We hope this exploration of pleased to meet you helps you navigate English-speaking environments more confidently. Remember, mastering a language is not just about learning words and grammar. It's also about understanding the cultural nuances that bring those words to life. Pleased to meet you is a perfect example of how language and culture intertwine. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!